Hello students, hi, welcome back to the class. I hope you all are fine. Yes? Okay, now let's start our lesson, which is we are seeing about the zoo. Yes? Where Abhi and his friends all have gone to the zoo to see the different types of animals there. Yes, so yesterday we were seeing about the page number 4 and 5 here. Okay, so on the page number 4 we have seen the different types of animals where Abhi has gone to see the different types of animals and he has seen there. So some of the animals we have seen on the page number 4. So what are the animals are there on the page number 4? Yes, there is an elephant, snake, squirrel, kangaroo, parrot, a deer and rabbit. No, so these are the animals which we have seen on the page number 4. Okay, so on the page number 5 what are the animals are given there? Yes, here this is the page number 5. Yes, so on the page number 5 we have seen here the tiger, horse, camel, giraffe, monkey, lion. So these are the animals which we have seen on the page number 5. And what are there other things we have seen on the page number 5? Yes, here it is a van in which Abhi and his friends have come to the zoo. And here some of the people who are standing in a queue. You know the meaning of queue is what? Queue means line, the sequence. And why these people are standing here in the line? Yes, they are standing here in the line to take the entry ticket to get into the zoo. Yes, so they are standing here to take the entry ticket. When we go to the exhibition or circus, we also need to take the entry ticket. First, we go to the counter where the entry tickets are provided. There we will pay some amount and we take the tickets and then only we will get the entry into the exhibition or in the circus. So here these people they are taking the entry ticket to get into the zoo. And here the watchman who is sitting near the gate. Next here some children they are playing out of the zoo, and here one vendor who is selling the ice cream, and here one more vendor who is selling the juice. Okay, so this all we have seen yesterday in our class. Okay, so page number 4 and 5. Now we are going to see, we are going to write what are the animals we have seen on the page number 4 and 5. The list now we are going to write it on the page number 6. So all of you let's take out the page number 6 now. Okay, so now here the page number 6 is have page number 6 it is. Okay, so all let's take the page number 6 and do the following. So what we are going to do now, what they are telling us to do. So here the given identify and circle the following in the picture of the zoo. Okay, so what they have given us, they have given us here some name of the animals and some places, some things which we have to read here and we have to circle them in the zoo. So where we have to go to circle them? Yes, again we have to go to the zoo. Yes, now let's go to the zoo children. So first one, what is given here? Tiger. Second one is monkey. Third one is jug. Fourth one is Xerox. Fifth one is camel. Next kangaroo, lion and parrot. So in this some of the birds are there, some of the animals, some things and one place. Okay, so here this we have to circle on the page number 4 and 5. So let's go to the zoo again children. So let's take out the page number 4 and 5. Okay. Okay, so here what they have told us to circle. Yes, they said us to first circle. So for that we have to come to the page number 5 here. So this is the page number 5 and the first one they have asked us to circle the tiger. So here we have to circle the tiger. Yes, next one what they have asked us. Yes, the second one is monkey. Okay, the second one is monkey. And next one is, they have given us camel also. This is a camel, so we have to circle the camel. Next they have asked us the jug also. Where is the jug? Here it is a jug, so we have to circle the jug also. There are the two jugs, any one of you we have to circle. Next what they have given? Yes, there is a lion also, so we have to circle lion also. Okay, now do you remember any more? Yes, they asked us to circle the kangaroo. Where is the kangaroo? See, here it is looking behind the tree and it is on the page number 4. So we have to circle here kangaroo, which is the behind the tree. Next, again what they asked us? Here one place which is shown in the last down. Yes, Xerox shop. Which shop it is? Xerox. So we have to circle the Xerox also. So any more? What they have asked us again? Let's see to the page number 6 again. So we have circled the tiger, we have circled the monkey, jug, Xerox, camel we have circled, kangaroo we have circled, lion also we have circled. Only what is left here? Parrot. Okay, now that also we are going to do now. So let's take the page number 5 again. Okay, but where is the parrot? It is on the page number 4. So only parrot is left here. Now that also we are going to circle. So circle the parrot also here. Okay, so these all we have circled here what they have asked us. Now let's see the second bit what is given to do. Okay, so all of you take out once again the page number 6. So okay children, what is given the second bit or B bit, what they are telling us to do? Let's see here. So the B bit is given, look at the picture of the zoo and write the names of animals, birds and things in the table given below. Some are done for you. So here the alphabetical order they have given A to Z letters. Means they have given the letters A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So total how many letters are there in English alphabet? Yes, there are the 26 letters in English alphabet. So we have to write and we have to find out the animals, birds, things, places which starts from this letter in the zoo. So have this funny, no? We have to find out. So some of them they have given us A for animal they have written. No, because there are many animals in the zoo. So it is related to the zoo only. So whatever are they related to the zoo, we have to write here. Okay. So A for animal. Now B for, what is there in the B for? In the zoo. Let's see. So come on to the page number 5 here. See on the page number 5. Here B for is nothing but, here see one girl who is playing with a ball here. So we are going to write B for ball. So let's take the page number 6 and write here B for ball. B A L L. Ball. B for ball. Next one. C for. C for, what is there? C for children in the zoo? Yes, there is a camel. C for camel. C A M E L. Camel. Camel is there in the zoo. Yes. Okay. Then D for. The D for what is children? Yes, there is given. Abhi is feeding to an animal something. He is feeding the leaves. Which animal is that? Yes, it is a deer. So here D for deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. E for, what is there children in E for? What is given? Which animal is there on the page number 4 which has the long trunk? Yes, it is an elephant. So E for elephant. ELEPHANT, elephant. F for fruit. Okay, so there are the many trees also in the zoo. So there might be some fruits which are grown on the tree. So F for fruit already, which is given here. Next we are going to see G. Then what is G for, children? I told you in our previous class, which has the long neck and it is called the tallest animal, which has the patches on its body. Which animal is this, children? Yes, G for giraffe. Okay, so let's go. We are going to write GIRAFFE, giraffe. Okay, so G for giraffe. Next, H. What is H is, children? Yes, there is a horse on the page number 5, which runs very fast. HORSE, horse. So you also have to write this all, children, in your textbook, okay? And learn all the spellings of the words. Okay. Next, I for. I for is what, children? What is given in the zoo? See, I for one man is selling under the umbrella. What is that he is selling there out of the zoo? Yes, he is selling an ice cream. So here I for ice cream. ICECREAM, ice cream. Okay. Next, J. What is there J for? Which I have showed you. One man who is making the juice there. So he has a jug. Yes, so J for jug. JUG, jug. Okay. Next, K. What is there K, children? It is there, see, on the page number 4. And I told you that animal has the pocket which is attached to its body. So it is naturally, it is one of the part of its, okay, and which is useful to keep in that the young one of that animal. What is that? Which animal is that? Yes, it is kangaroo. Kangaroo spelling is KANGAROO, kangaroo. Understood? Next, which letter after K is? L. L for what is given? Which animal is that? It is known for the king of the jungle. Which animal is this? Yes, lion. LION, lion. Lion is called the king of the jungle. Next letter is, after L is given, M. So what is M for, children? Which chatters always and jump from one tree to another tree. Sometimes they can come into our houses and we see daily in our areas. Which animals are that? Yes, M for monkey. So MONKEY, monkey. Is this very funny, no, children? These all words we are getting from the zoo only. Yes? Okay. Now let's come to the next one. N. Already here N is given because there are the many birds who are in the zoo and they have their nest also to live in them. They prepare the nest themselves. So it is one also is related to the zoo only. So which is given already here. And next, N after O. O means there are the many different types of birds. So okay, children, which letter are we seeing, children? Yes, we are seeing O. So O means what, children? Just you think. Yes, in the zoo there are the many different types of animals. So like that, birds also are there. Yes. So O for which bird comes, children? Yes, it is an owl. OWL, owl. Okay. Next, P. Which bird is given? Which is in green in color and which has the red beak? Which bird is that? And I told you that it is a talkative bird. It is called the talkative bird. Which bird is this? Yes, P for parrot. So parrot is, spelling is PARROT, parrot. Okay. Next, Q. Any animal is there which starts from Q? No. No. So what we have to write here? Q. Q means what? And which we have to write, which is related to the zoo only. Okay, so as I told you, when we go to the exhibition or to the circus, here all the children to get into the zoo, they need a entry ticket to get into the zoo. So here also in the zoo, where all the people are standing in the line, and that I told you what it is, Q. So Q spelling is Q-U-E-U-E. Q means sequence, line. So here out of the zoo, all the people are standing in the queue. Yes, children? Which we have seen on the page number 5, where all the people are standing in the queue, in line to take the entry tickets. Yes? Okay. So next one is R. What is R, children? Which animal? Which runs very fast and it is white in color? Everybody likes to keep it as their pet animal. Yes, it is a rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Okay, next S. What is S for? We have seen it on our page number 4. It is a poisonous animal and it crawls on the land, which is called the reptile also. Yes, we have seen it on the page number 4. On one branch, it has rolled to the branch. Which animal is that? Yes, it is a snake. S-N-A-K-E, snake. Next one is T. T for what, children? Yes, tiger, which has the black stripes on its body and it is known for our national animal. So T for tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Next, U for, what is U, children? So U is not given any animal there. So what we have to write, which is related to the zoo only. So we have seen here on the page number 5, the man who is selling the ice creams here. So what he has covered to be in the shadow? Yes, it is an umbrella. So we have to write here umbrella. So U for umbrella, and umbrella spelling is U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Okay. Now next one is, which letter comes after the U? Yes, V. And V for what, children? See, when Abhi came, he got up early in the morning, and when he came onto the road, he missed his what? Yes, van. So all these Abhi and his friends, they came to the zoo in what? Van. So V for van, V-A-N, van, which is outside of the zoo. We have seen, no, which is standing out of the zoo. Yes. Next, V after which letter is here given? W. Yes. So W means what, children? When these all people have taken the entry ticket and they want to go into the zoo, but before that they have to show their entry tickets to the person who is sitting near the gate. So who is called? Watchman. So here we have to write W-A-T-C-H and M-A-N, watchman. Understood? The person who is sitting out of the zoo on the chair, he is the watchman. Understood? Next, X. X also, the place which is given on the page number 4, from where we can take the Xerox of anything. If you need the photographs also, Xerox also. So that place is called the Xerox. X-E-R-O-X, Xerox. Okay. And the next one is Y. Yo-yo. It is simply one. All the children are there playing, they are enjoying. So Y is given already here, yo-yo. And Z. What is Z, children? Where all these children have come to see all these animals? Yes, they have come to the zoo. So Z-O-O, zoo. How nice the lesson is now? So here all these words we have got from the Zoo only. So all the 26 letters, and that 26 letters which starts from this first letter of this alphabet, which we have found out from the zoo and we have written here. Okay, so all you have to take your page number 6, write it in your textbook and learn these all the words. Okay children, got it? Now you all understood what the different types of animals here Abhi and his friends have seen. Okay, so I hope you all have understood. You have to watch this video from starting to ending and you have to like it also and subscribe our channel. Okay, bye.